Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What I have for you today is a Christmas DIY using your Cricut. I'm so excited. I want to take a Dollar Tree mug that's red, and I've hauled this quite a while ago, and I found a free saying that I'll link in the description box below that you can use if you want to print it out and put it in a picture frame or something like that. You can just print out the PNG. If you want to put it on the mug, you can just do the SVG file like this, okay? But I think it's going to be really cute. But if you don't have a Cricut and you don't want to watch this, I hate to see you go, but I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Christmas DIY. I'm really looking forward to this one, okay? So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and I'm going to go to the circle with the plus for a new project and click on that. That will put us on our canvas. Okay, now I'm going to go to upload because I've already uploaded this one. This one is the PNG and this one is the SVG, and I know that because I remember in what order I uploaded them to my computer. So when you click on it, it puts a green box around it. Then we're going to go to the right bottom corner, insert images. This would be a wonderful Christmas gift or just a lovely mug for you to drink tea, hot cocoa, or coffee out of during the winter holidays. Now this just says, baby, it's cold outside with the snowflakes and the antlers. I think it's so pretty. I'm just going to change this color to red to help you see it a little bit better. I think I'll go to that color red. Okay. Now I'm going to change this size. I'm going to go out from the lock and unlock it. And I want to make this 3.5 wide, I'm pretty sure. And then I want to make it 3.0 high. Okay. And just make sure it holds, and it didn't. So I'm going to unlock it again. For the width, 3.5, and then the height is 3. Okay. I think that will be all right. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Okay. So if you look over here in the layers column, if you would make this now, this is all going to cut separately. See, if we went to make it, right top corner, this was what it would look like on your mat. It's just a mess. So we're going to cancel. And what I want to do is I want to draw a box around that. And I want to go to weld, bottom right corner in the layers column. And when I hit weld, you'll see it turns into a cut file, okay? And that's what we want, all right? So we're going to go to make it, right top corner. It's going to put it onto our mat, and it's going to be one piece. You're not going to have to say, oh, did I get this even or whatever. It's going to be perfect. So I'm going to go to continue, right bottom corner. My Cricut is set to custom. And I have, I have removable Cricut premium vinyl. So I'm going to click premium vinyl here. And I'm going to get more pressure because I haven't changed that blade yet. I am such a mess, okay? So the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this adorable little decal for our... Hi, guys. I am having some technical problems, so I filmed the entire video of me cutting out the vinyl, and I've lost it all. So I wanted to hop back on here and show you and just tell you what I did. Here's the mug that I got from the Dollar Tree. I really do love it. I think it is so pretty. It came in white, black, and this pretty red, and I picked up the red one. And then I'm using the Cricut Premium Vinyl, okay? And it looks just like this. And this is the piece that I cut off right down here, okay? And before you put anything on this cup, you need to clean it with alcohol, okay? Just some rubbing alcohol, and I just use these cotton rounds. It works great, okay? And I used my standard grit mat right here. And you'll need some transfer tape. I do have the just like the Cricut transfer tape, but you can use the clear shelving paper from the Dollar Tree, okay? And so I cut my image out and it went great. And you just weed away what you do not want. It's so simple. And here it is. Then what you do after you get it like weeded, then you take your transfer tape, put it like peel this off like this, put it on down like this with the sticky side facing this, and just rub it on. But like I said, I lost all that, but I didn't want to have you miss this because I think it's such a cute little mug, okay? But this is how it turned out, baby. It's cold outside, and I love those little antlers and the snowflakes. It's so pretty. I love it. So sorry this video was just so weird, but I didn't want you to miss this mug. It would make a great gift to put like either hot chocolate in it, different teas, some soup, something like that, and give it as a gift. I think it is so pretty. Or I'm going to be enjoying it just to drink tea and hot cocoa out of, or you could drink coffee out of it. But I think it is very festive, and with this Dollar Tree mug, it's very economical to make, and it looks very high end. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a really cute Christmas DIY that I'm really looking forward to. But like I said, this looks so high end, and using that Dollar Tree mug, you didn't spend a lot of money. So sorry I lost the footage, but things happen sometimes, and it was my turn. So until next time, bye guys.